Angels. Left 4, very long, 120.
Feel it.
Yep. Right 5, 70. Right 5, tightens 4 plus. And left 5 minus over small crest 70. Left 5 minus 150. Right 5 plus 180. Right 6 over small crest, tightens 5 minus. 120. Left 5 plus, opens long 100. Small crest into left 5 plus, 200. Long small crest into right 4, 120.
Braking too early because we have the grip now.
Yep. Left 6 over small crest, 450. Go, go, go. More cowbell, more cowbell.
What's this turn?
Left 5 minus, no cut. Too early again.
Yeah. I'd rather.
50, small crest, caution, right 4 plus off camber.
This is right 4 plus.
Right 4 plus off camber. 50, long crest 100, caution, right 3 plus down into left 4. 70. Right 5 minus, left 6 plus, 50. Stay right over crest 100. Left 6. Stay right over small crest 70. Left 6 long, tightens 5 minus. Small crest, and right 5 long 150. Small crest into left 6 plus, right 6 over small crest 120. Left 5 plus 300. Left 6 plus long. Cowbell, cowbell, go, go, go. Left 6 plus long into small crest 50. Left 6, 100.
I got lost in what you said, sorry.
Left 6, 100. Left 5 minus into right 5 minus.
That was my bad.
It's okay. 50. Turn right 4 plus. There it is. 50. Right 4, 120. Left 5 plus, 50. Left 5 opens and tightens. 120. Left 6, very long, 50. Right 5 minus, 180. Right 4 over small crest long, 50. plus long. Left 5, tightens 4 over small crest, into right 5 plus. 70. Small crest, turn left 4, 50. Right 4, loose, long, 250. Left 3, plus long over crest, 100. Right 5 long over small crest, tightens 4 plus. And left 4 over small crest, loose, tightens. 50. Left 4, caution, 50, right 3, no cut. That's 50, right 3, no cut. Loose, keep neat.
Oh, we're going faster than I thought we were.
Into left 6 plus, into right 6 plus. Left 5 long, 450. Cowbell, cowbell. Andale, andale. Left 5 plus over small crest, 50.
I just don't have the confidence to do it wet.
I understand. Left 5 plus into double caution. Turn 1. Left 1 narrows, no cut. This is the one with the hole. Right 5 plus over crest down long, 100. Left 6 over narrow bridge into right 5 minus no cut long. Into small crest. Into left 5 minus. Right 5 plus long. Tightens, keep left on exit. Into left 4 over small crest. Into left 5 plus over small crest very long. Into small crest 70. Left 5 minus 180. Crest 50, crest 70. Cowbell. Left 5 into long crest. Into right 5 minus long over crest opens.
Sorry, I just went a little behind.
It's okay. Into small crest, right 5, 120. Left 6 plus, 70. Right 6 plus, 100. Stay left over small crest. In right 5 plus, no cut. Into small crest, 120. Crest 100. Cowbell, cowbell. Long crest 70. More cowbell. More. Don't lift, don't lift.
70.
Jump 100. Right 6 loose. Caution brake 50. Guard left 3. 150. Bridge into left 6 plus. Right 5 minus no cut. Small jump into runway, right 6 plus, into narrow 150, small crest into left 5, opens 50, small crest 70, flat jump.
There's the jumps right there.
Yep, floor it. Let's go, let's go. Narrow guard 50, left 6 over crest. Floor it, don't lift, don't lift, don't lift, don't lift. Yeah! That's how you do it.
Beat your mom! Beat your mom! Beat your mom!
Jump 120, jump 150. Yep, here's the second jump, 150.
Oh, sorry.
Keep going.
I thought that was the house.
Double caution, brake, stay left over small jump, keep right, right 5 minus short. Yep, this is the one. 70, left 4 plus long, no cut, down. Right 4, oh, very long, opens. Into left 5 plus, over crest, 200.
Sorry, this is really loose.
It's okay. Left 5 plus over crest 200. Stay right over small crest 50. Right 5 plus long. Left 5 plus long over 2 small crests. Caution, right 3 late, opens and tightens. 50. Caution, left 4, no cut, over narrow bridge. Into left 5 minus, over crest 120. Right 3 plus tightens, into finish, small crest 150.
Oh, it's uphill. I didn't have to brake.
How high were we?
I don't know if it didn't feel as high as New York.